Learn the easiest way to permanently delete your Instagram account directly from your phone. I show you guys how to do it. Select the profile icon and select the three line on the top and select account center and select personal details and select account ownership and control and select deactivation or deletion. Select the Instagram account and select the delete account option and select continue. Select one of these reasons and select continue. Again, select the continue option. Type your Instagram password. Select continue. Select delete account option. And as you can see, we have successfully deleted the Instagram account. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.